Hi there. Today, we're going to talk about some special words, had been, has been, and have been. These words help us talk about things that happened or are happening. Let's start with has been and have been. Imagine you're telling a story.
Hi, okay, I like stories.
Great. So, has been is like saying something happened and is still happening now. For example, she has been playing with her toys all day. It means she started playing, and she's still playing now.
Like, I have been studying English.
Exactly. You got it. If you've been studying English for a while and you're still studying now, you can say, I have been studying English.
That makes sense.
Now, had been is a bit different. It's like talking about something that happened in the past, and it was finished before another past moment. Imagine you had a big sandwich for lunch before you went to the park.
Oh, I like sandwiches.
Great. So you can say, I had been eating a big sandwich before I went to the park. The eating happened and it was finished before you went to the park.
Like, I had been playing with my toys before I went to bed.
Yes, exactly. You're catching on fast. You can say, I had been playing with my toys before I went to bed. The playing happened, and it was finished before you went to bed.
Got it.
Now, let's use them in a little story. Imagine you have a friend, Sarah. Yesterday, she started painting a picture, and she's still painting it today. What can you say about Sarah?
Sarah has been painting a picture since yesterday?
Perfect, you got it. Sarah has been painting a picture since yesterday. Now let's say she finished the painting this morning. What can you say now?
Sarah had been painting a picture since yesterday and she finished it this morning?
Excellent, you're a pro at this. Sarah had been painting a picture since yesterday and she finished it this morning. You're telling the story perfectly.
Yay, I like telling stories.
You're doing great. Now, let's think of another example. Imagine your friend, Alex, loves playing soccer. He started playing soccer when he was 5, and he still plays now. What can you say?
Alex has been playing soccer since he was 5?
Exactly. You're getting the hang of it. Alex has been playing soccer since he was 5. Now, let's say he played in a big soccer tournament last month. What can you say?
Alex had been playing soccer since he was 5 and he played in a big tournament last month?
Wonderful. You nailed it. Alex had been playing soccer since he was 5 and he played in a big tournament last month. You're using these words perfectly.
Yay, it's fun.
I'm glad you're having fun. You're doing so well with has been and have been and even had been. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it gets.
Thanks, teacher. I'll practice more.
Great. If you have any questions or want to practice more, just let me know. Keep up the fantastic work.